stable.
I seriously think. How good's that? We've got our own private beach, our own camping area, and our own private dunny.
Look at the waves over there. Breakers.
I'd still go for a swim with the mask and snorkel on though.
Getting me fully in or just partially?
I don't know, what do you want? Fully? Or partially? Am I stalking you? Yes, I'm stalking you.
It won't come out.
It's fine. Stop whinging about the wind.
Turn it off.
Nope.
Turn it off, please. Eagle on the post. Sun's behind, so we're just going to get a silhouette. There we go.
Might be some local birds around this area.
Am I a bird?
Oh,
Oh yeah.
what's happening here?
What's happening?
There's a campground down there, look.
Yeah.
I bet he's staying tonight.
She is. There's the rover. That's shadows.
More like
Looks-
cormorants.
It's a penguin.
They're cormorants.
Penguin. No, one at the very end is a penguin. Not the one closest to us.
Fairy penguin.
Fairy.
Go and have a look.
Yeah. This is when we need our mics, Carl.
What?
The wind would just dominate it.
Yeah. Where is the mic on the front? It's here, isn't it? There you go. I'm just shielding the mic. Shielding the
Yeah, but
mic.
that's not very good footage, Carl.
Isn't it?
No.
Ah.
I'm a bit wobbly. Yeah.
Who's got a belly full of lollies? Lollies, lollies, belly full of lollies. You have.
Yeah. Go around the circle.
See, I flew the drones are here.
Right.
Alright, and I was 10 metres off the ground, and then I flew it out across the rock. If I was here, I could have flown it around the rock.
It's not as big as I thought it would be.
No.
But if someone to catch the sun peering through that, that's pretty cool.
And I reckon, if you caught that on high tide, you could have a good swim around it quite comfortably.
Well, the tide's coming up. What about driving on seaweed? How does that work?
I don't know. I don't think seaweed seaweed's too bad, but what seaweed can do is it can hide what's underneath it, like a rock or
Right.
a hole or something like that.
Okay.
Just bay after bay after bay, isn't it?
What's that in the middle of the road?
Stick, I think.
It's not a snake.
Not sitting up like that, no. Turn back, or we're going to carry on to the town?
Well, I think that.
Decide.
Well, I'm talking to you. Let me just switch this off.
Like I say, we had a long way to go at that speed on that track.
Yeah. Going onto the beach.
Yeah, well, that's what we expected it to go.
Okay.
We're aiming at the beach, aiming at the big blue bit on the map.
Still a while to go, though, isn't there?
Yeah, a little way.
Scratchy, scratchy.
Yep.
Are you regretting this?
I'm not regretting it.
Not yet.
Not yet. Until it gets really overgrown. My regret is not airing down.
Well, you can always do that.
Yeah, if I need to.
We're not there. We've still got a while to go, haven't we?
A little bit.
Oh.
Should we get into another
Okay.
track intersection?
I'm going to stop videoing. Looks like a hammer.
It looks like a big hammer. Right, do we go out the way we came in, or do we risk it going along the dunes?
Well, I know you don't agree.
Milligan's Island.
Can I ask you to listen to me?
Ancient window.
That's quite a good snorkeling spot as well.
We're down there. Should we drive on the beach?
Okay. On your hard tyres?
Well, we'll see.
Oh, I don't think I like this.
Yeah, we'll get that hard sand, which is this is a soft sand.
Oh,
It's alright.
oh, I don't know, Carl.
Okay, well, we just have to fang it. Keep the momentum up. Watch your tummy.
I am.
Are you videoing it all?
Yes. It's a shame you didn't fly a drone and drive at the same time.
Oh, yeah.
This is our beach. You're going to drive towards Rover.
I am indeed. Still there.
Oh, there's a whip-de-doo-dah here.
Whoop-de-doo-dah. Mighty Land Cruiser.
And Drovey-rovey. Right.
Just give me the birds, the bees, the cheese, and the choice.
So cool, that sand dune.
It's right on the track.
Feels like it. Feels like you're going to drive right up there.
Right into the sand and over the sand. Right, so we got another breakage. This is the latch on the inside of the door, and this is the bit on the outside that you use to rotate it. And what's happened is it's actually snapped off. It's actually broken here. So this nylon, whatever material it is, it looks like it's some sort of 3D printed, has actually snapped off here, and that bit, that shaft has come off. So what I've done is I've glued it with some contact adhesive. May or may not work, I don't know, but I might have to make one because it sounds like they're no longer in production of this style. And I've just rung Stockman Rover to try and find a part, and they haven't got any. So I've glued it. We'll wait till the glue goes off and see if that works. If not, it might be a piece of timber and get my whittling skills going.
So what's this part for, Carl? Why do we need it?
It's for pulling the door in at the bottom and at the top of the door with the key, and what it does is it pulls the door up against the door seals. Because the door is really tall, really big, in the middle you've got the door latch and handle, but that's not enough to seal the top and the bottom of the door. So by giving this a 90-degree turn, it basically locks it in and pulls the door into the seals, top and bottom. Because it does tend to foul a little bit, well, not foul, but get sort of squashed in there, so it does have a bit more resistance on that one to the one on the top. Not having it is going to be a pain, and we're about to go possibly out to Coronation. It's going to be dusty, and we've got the Gib River Road, which is going to be dusty, so yeah, could have a bit of dust inside Rover, but it's not the end of the world, it's only dust. It won't stop.
No.
And the top one works.
But unfortunately, Stockman Rover have chucked out all the old parts and they've got none for the old Rovers. So the only way forward is that we have to re-drill another hole and have the new fittings put in, which is something you can't do on the road.
We've got to drill out the door, the hole that this goes in, because the new ones are bigger. So it means taking off the outside plate, the inside plate for strength, drilling the hole out, replacing all the plates, and then putting the new locks in. So it's not just a straight swap out job. They've actually changed the style, and the new style comes with a slightly bigger hole. So I have to find out what tools I'll need to buy, because I've got a limited amount of tools being on the road. And I might, it's a fairly big hole, so it might just need filing out, grinding out, don't know yet. I'll have to wait and see. Bit of a nuisance. Just when I went to lock it this morning, it broke. Right, let's get some photos because I'm hot. Craig, he managed to find at Stockman Rover. He managed to find a couple, and he posted them out to me. And I think I picked them up at Carnarvon or something like that post office. And he sent them out to me, you know, quick post, and we got them sorted, got them swapped over, and we were back on the road, no dramas. So that was a positive for Stockman, even though we kind of said in the video earlier that they didn't have any parts left, but they'd looked around and found some ones that they'd swapped over from the old style to the new style. Gave me a couple of second-hand ones, but yep, they're all good and we're working fine.
I think there's a land of love that is long to satisfy greed and searching.
Can I have that as a sound? Sound like I'm screaming in the background.
It's one of Ashley's videos.
The world of words when money talks.
Coronation Beach. No. Yes.
Is that the same as Coronation Street?
No. Got a steep descent coming up.
Oh, yippee!
See how steep it is? You might need to get yourself into low range, babe.
Ah, low range. Let's have some low range.
What was that?
Nothing?
Here's a steep bit.
What goes down
I'm not walking.
must come up.
Yeah, but I'm not walking. Careful of your brakes. Don't touch. Dummy. Oh, I didn't mention about that corner.
Is it about steep descent and say a sharp right-hand bend at the bottom?
Where we see the sea and we turn around.
Yep. Wiggly waggly road.
And there's the campground.
In 200 meters, turn left.
There's the beach. Okay, I'm turning off now. Do you think I should keep going?
So day use is off to the right, camping off to the left.
Right, let's drive round. Thank you for visiting. We hope you enjoy your stay. Coronation Beach Campground. No through road, camp area only. We're just going to go and have a look.
Let's just go and drive through and see what's what. Looks like our old tent. It is.
It's our old tent.
That is our old tent.
That's from England.
Yep.
This is the library, by the way. Sometimes I retire to the library. If I play chess, I can make a move, and I go, aha. And then I run round and sit on that chair.
You're on a lazy Susan.
And I go, oh, that was sneaky. I wonder what he did.
If you are enjoying our videos, please click like, subscribe and click the bell for notifications.